There's a hidden trap in our world today, a trap that's designed to steal your focus and life one notification at a time. It's all around us, but no one really talks about it, and it's not what you think. In this video, I want to share with you something that nobody tells you about distraction. Welcome to the channel. Now let's dive into something that most people don't realize. Most distractions in your life are designed, they're not accidental. Seriously, think about it. All these flashing notifications, the endless scroll feeds on social media, those targeted ads that seem to know what you want even before you do. They're not there by accident. They're carefully crafted to catch your attention. Your focus is a valuable commodity, and these distractions are there to grab it and hold it tight. So the real battle isn't about willpower. It's about recognizing that you're being manipulated and finding ways to protect yourself against it. Point no. 2. Distraction feeds on emotions. Think about when you're feeling bored, when you're feeling anxious or stressed, when you're looking for a quick hit of satisfaction. That's when distractions are most dangerous. They offer a temporary escape, a quick hit of dopamine that makes you feel better in the moment, but steals your growth in the long run. It's like taking a drug. The initial high is enticing, but the withdrawal is real, and it'll leave you craving for more. What's worse, the damage done by distractions isn't always obvious. Studies show that it can take more than 20 minutes for you to get back to deep focus after a single interruption. Imagine the cost of focus. Every time you get distracted, you lose that precious resource. And if you're like most people, you won't even realize it's happening. Point no. 3. Distraction often masquerades as productivity. Checking emails, scrolling through motivational content, or multitasking, they can all seem like productive things to do, right? Wrong. They're clever tricks that your brain plays on you, ways to procrastinate without actually realizing it. We live in a world where everyone is connected 24/7. We have the internet in our pockets at all times, and the temptation to constantly be on is huge. But here's the truth. The real enemy isn't technology. It's the way we manage our attention. Yes, tech is a tool. The trap lies in not setting boundaries. And finally, point number 5. Freedom comes from awareness. Once you realize that distractions are not random occurrences, but rather engineered traps to steal your focus, you can start to break free. Suddenly, you won't just be fighting against distractions. You'll be aware of the tactics used against you. You can start implementing strategies like scheduling specific times to focus, practicing digital detox, developing mindfulness, or using accountability systems. The key is to take control. Don't let your attention wander aimlessly. Instead, lead it. Be intentional about how you spend your time and energy. So my friends, distraction is a silent thief, but its touch is felt everywhere. It robs you of your focus, your time, and your peace. But remember, awareness is the first step to breaking free. Recognize the signs, understand the traps, and take action. Your focus, your time, and ultimately your life are worth it. Let me ask you a question. What other ways have you found that distraction steals your focus? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Here's how people experience distraction across the globe. India. Common distractions: smartphones, specifically WhatsApp, Reels, and gaming. Other distractions include family or social obligations and the noise in crowded environments. Indians are highly active on social media, especially short-form video platforms. The distractions often stem from a fear of missing out, FOMO, and the need to stay constantly connected. The biggest trap is that they often mistake being busy for being productive, such as endless multitasking. Japan. Common distractions: work stress, overcommitment, and the cultural pressure to conform. Japanese culture emphasizes a strict work-life separation, which can lead to a phenomenon called Han versus Tate-mei, where one's inner self conflicts with their outer self. This often leads to mental exhaustion. To cope, people may turn to distractions such as gaming, manga, anime, or social drinking to escape the stress rather than confronting it. United States. Common distractions: social media, streaming platforms, and consumerism, shopping, ads, etc. Multitasking is also deeply ingrained in American culture. Americans tend to chase instant gratification, whether it's likes on social media, quick wins at work, or binge-watching content. The constant exposure to these distractions, which are often marketed as entertainment, can blur the line between healthy engagement and harmful addiction. Moreover, the association of distraction with stress relief makes it even harder to recognize as a problem. If you found this insightful, please like and share it with your friends. Remember, every step towards awareness is a victory against the silent thief of distraction. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.